Hey guys, Kathy Dryden here at dinner time. Lunch and dinner kind of a little early. Wanted to share with you a good snack or football food or Halloween dinner for the little munchkins. They're out trick-or-treating, and I thought it would be fun to show you ham and cheese sliders. Now I know you've seen them a million different ways. You can go to Pinterest and get all kinds of recipes, but I'm going to do them just in a quick way to show you it's a fast and easy dinner. I'm going to put them, normally you put them in like a tinfoil thing. I'm going to put them in my cast iron. This is our 12-inch skillet. I've already oiled the bottom, and basically I took I threw the box away, the Hawaiian rolls, and I used my bread knife and went all the way across, and then I just kept them together and flipped the lid off. That's the trick, keep them together. Then we have this great, it's called Everything Aioli. We got it at like our St. Augustine winery. My husband and I do like crazy sauces, and so this was something I would use. But the recipe I'm going to share has poppy seed dressing. You can do mayonnaise and mustard. There's all kinds of combinations, but you want to put lightly on the top, lightly on the bottom, because you don't want it to get soggy. Then you're just going to layer and enjoy. I am going to stick this in my microwave real quick. This is 2 tablespoons of butter, or 3 onion rub, and a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And I'll show you what I'm going to do with that. All right, super excited about this. I have some visitors coming for dinner tonight, and I thought, oh, let's do this. So, perfect little bite size. The other fun thing is it's a nice dinner for Halloween. How many times when you're going out trick-or-treating with the fam, you're like, we got to eat something before we go get all this candy, because nobody is going to have a good dinner if we don't, right? So this week is my Boo Bites week, and I thought these were perfect for a spooktacular idea. I'm putting Munster cheese. You've probably seen it with ham and Swiss. I had this in my fridge, and I needed to use it, so that's what I'm doing. I just do deli cheese, guys. You could do whatever kind of cheese you want. That's the fun thing with this. You could do roast beef. You could do ham, you can do turkey, you could do veggies. Just don't forget the cheese. That's the best part of this whole deal. Okay, do you know when you get deli ham and it's wrapped in a million things? So you put that on the top, okay? Then you're gonna put your ham. It says about 1.5 slices per roll in the recipe I'll share, but I just kind of layer it and go. A lot of people I've seen on Pinterest have these thick. I'm just going to do a little bit because I need to have ham for sandwiches for this week, or chef salads or anything like that. So I'm probably going to do 3 layers of ham. Again, all stuck together. And then when it's time to serve it is when I will cut it apart into little squares. All right, let's see what we got here. So easy, you guys. I love easy recipes. It's funny, people are like, you're such a good cook, and I laugh, and my family laughs, because I don't even enjoy cooking. Isn't that crazy? So I'm always on the lookout for recipes that I can make fast and easy to get out of the kitchen and do something fun, right? But some of you enjoy cooking, and I learn from you every day, every way. The last layer is going to be the cheese, my favorite layer. And do you see all this plastic? It's like, come on, Betty. Just give me the cheese. All right, so this is fun too. Like I said, you can change up with roast beef. You can make any kind of slider. You can do little buffalo chicken sliders are always a favorite. So that's done, and I'm just gonna put this on top. You see I put some of this sauce on there. You probably should spread it out. I'm not spreading it out. Okay, I'm gonna put it in here, and it's gonna go in a 350 oven, and it is going to make my house smell amazing for about, I want to say it says 15, 18 minutes. It's really until it's melted through. That's all you're doing is melting the cheese. Let me get my basting brush and my butter. All right, butter. Didn't do a very good job melting. So these are little silicone bowls. I love them for little jobs like this. It has a 3 set, and I use the big one like if I do a lot of eggs, scrambled eggs. All right, so I'm just taking our basting brush and doing a layer on top. So this is gonna make it nice, yummy looking, flavors added as well with the 3 onion rub, which is one of our Pampered Chef seasonings. And you can put this inside too if you wanted to. I didn't really feel like it needed it. But so Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of butter. I would almost say 1 tablespoon would have been enough. And about a tablespoon of 3 onion rub. There are lots of different seasonings. You could do rosemary herb. You could do Italian, low power mode. Okay, you could do Italian, you could do all kinds of stuff. So it says on the recipe to cover it with tin foil, so I'll probably do that and then check it out and see what it looks like. I will post a picture at the bottom in the comments once we pull it out. Super excited. I'm serving this with the chef salad, and it's a quick, easy dinner for tonight. All right, tell me if you have any ideas what you would use this for. I'm thinking football. That's our big thing right now. All right, bye you guys. Toodles.